Welcome back, my amazing learners. Now, our story for today is The Adventure of Bredda Anancy and the Birds at Cherry Island. Bredda Anancy observed that on the first day of summer every year, all the birds were gone. At the break of dawn, they flew above the trees, over the western hills, and disappeared beyond the horizon. On their return in late afternoon, they split the air with merry laughter, chattering and chirping wildly. Bredda Anancy was full of envy. He badly wanted to know where they went. Each time he asked a bird, he was sent to another. It seems the birds did not want him to know. "I know which bird will tell me," sighed Anancy with a cunning smile. "If I give Brother Parrot a few grains of corn, he will give me all the information." Anancy wanted to go to Brother Parrot's yard, but he did not want to pass Parson John Crow's house. He had lent Anancy some money, and despite his best effort, Anancy would not repay him. Anancy did not want to meet him, so he decided to walk through the bushes. He entered the bushes and carefully pushed his way against the prickly weeds and thorny shrubs. He came to an area of low green grass and slender twigs. To his right was a mango tree with verdant summer leaves. "Ah!" he gleefully shouted. "There is Brother Parrot sitting on the mango tree in his yard." "Parrot! Parrot!" called Anancy. Parrot pretended not to hear. "Brother Parrot, don't you hear me calling you?" Parrot looked sternly at him, cursing and swearing. "You have no manners," he continued. "When you come to my yard, you must tell me howdy before you say anything else. That is common courtesy," rebuked Parrot. "I am shocked. I did not know that parrots curse bad words," stated Anancy in surprise. "Yes," said Parrot. "I once lived with an old seaman who cursed bad words and drank white rum most of the time. I learned all of his peculiar ways." "I hope you will soon forget those ways, Brother Parrot. Permit me to ask you a question. If you give me the answer, I will give you these grains of corn that I take with me, and even more importantly, I will let you have free corn for the rest of your life," coaxed Anancy charmingly. "For the rest of my life? Hand me those grains of corn. Give me a little time to eat them, and then I will answer your questions." Parrot quickly gobbled them up. "Now ask me any question you desire," said Parrot with great urgency. "Where do the birds go on the first day of summer? And what makes them so happy when they return?" asked Anancy with purposeful intent. "They all go to Cherry Island, where there are thousands of cherry trees. In summer, they are covered with red, ripe, juicy cherries as sweet as sugar. Some birds love the overripe fermented cherries. They are as potent as strong wine. Knock you out if you consume too much," explained Brother Parrot.